Charlie, cooking with Charlie, cooking with Charlie.
Jamaican style chicken feet, turkey neck soup. Yeah, you. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I have some seasoned chicken foot, some turkey neck, and I'll be making some Jamaican style soup my way. Okay, so I put together some onions. I love onions in my soup. It adds flavor. I'll be using pumpkin, chayote, known as chocho in my Jamaican community, carrots, turnip, Irish potato. Peel your veggies. Once peeled, wash them, and I normally brush my carrots off a little, but I leave the skin on. Then I peel, and then I just wash my veggies. Added my meat to boil, and then I'll be dicing the carrots, the chayote, chocho, whatever you want to call it. Welcome to my channel, making Jamaican style chicken feet and turkey neck soup. Ground provision, Jamaican style sweet potato, yams, corn, some celery, and some white Irish. And what is soup without Jamaican dumplings? And of course I add a little cornmeal in my dumpling. Once I peeled my ground provisions, then I just wash them off. Dice them as small as I'm doing for the celery. I love celery in my soup, in my potato salad. My yellow yam was dry. Tasted really good like egg. Washed off. Then I added to my pot at this point my chicken feet, chicken foot, and turkey neck was cooked. Added me my dumplings.
Cooking with Charlie, cooking with Charlie, cooking with Charlie, cooking with Charlie, cooking with Charlie.
Then I added the American style sweet corn to my pot. Added me some scallion, thyme, noodles, and I love to use the Maggi pumpkin noodle. I used 1.5 pack, and then season your pot, taste your pot as you go. A little hint black pepper, a little salt, and then I use some Maggi all-purpose or chicken bouillon, and a little hint of salt. Taste your pot as you go. No fresh pot round here. And within 1.5 hours, a girl soup was ready. My soup was souping. Look at it. And of course I added some little berries in it. Pot a bubble. 1.5 hours in, my soup was ready. This soup did not take long to cook. And listen, if you follow, if you're just watching to support, I want to extend a thank you. Don't forget to set your notification bell so you won't miss a video upload. And I hope that you're also watching the lifestyle vlogs that I've been doing on my country back home in Jamaica. Support your girl. I have a giveaway coming up in February, so stay tuned. Don't forget to set your notification bell. Drop a comment and let me know what your favorite comfort soup is. See you soon in another video. Bye.